In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Giphy on Slack. It's a simple and fun way to add a little bit of extra flair to your conversations with coworkers and friends. We'll walk through each step together, and by the end of this session, you'll be comfortably sending GIFs just like a pro. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Slack website. Just open up your favorite web browser and enter the URL for Slack. It's the first step in opening up a world of creative possibilities. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the next stage. This will direct you to the login options. Next, select Google as your sign-in method. Slack makes it super easy to connect through various accounts, and Google is one of the simplest choices for many users. Now, it's time to log in using your Google account. Enter your credentials, which should be familiar if you've ever signed into other services using Google. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you're using the one associated with your Slack workspace. This will make sure you're connecting to the right team and channels. Once you're logged in, head over to your desired channel. This is where you'll be engaging with your colleagues or friends. It's like the digital space where your Slack communications come to life. Now that you're in your channel, it's time to bring on the GIFs. Simply type /Giphy followed by a keyword that represents the kind of GIF you're looking for. This command tells Slack that you're looking for a fun, relevant GIF to accompany your message. Remember, the keyword you choose will help Giphy fetch a GIF that matches your mood or message, so choose wisely. After typing your command with the keyword, go ahead and press Enter. Slack will then display a random GIF based on your keyword. If it's exactly what you were looking for, you're almost ready to send it off. You'll then see your GIF preview before sending it. If it's the perfect choice, simply click on Send to share it with your channel. And there you have it, a quick, simple way to liven up your Slack conversations. With these steps, you'll be on your way to making Slack discussions more engaging and entertaining. Keep experimenting with different keywords and find GIFs that best suit your style and conversation needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks.